Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you the smartphones which are going to be launched in 2019. So keep watching this video. My name is Hamza Mukhtar. You are watching Advanced Unboxer. So let's get started. "2018 was a great year for phones. We saw huge leaps in the power of computational photography, cheap phones that look and feel like they could pass for a model 3 times the price, and glass designs as far as the eye can see. Next year we will get 5G phones. Here are the launches you need to watch out for in 2019 that will bring these goodies. The Samsung Galaxy X, the top candidate for strangest phone of 2019, is an easy one to call. It's the Samsung Galaxy X, the foldable phone rumored for half a decade, and it is almost here. A prototype version of what is presumed to be this foldable monster was seen in 2018 at the Samsung Developer Conference. It's effectively a vehicle for Samsung's Infinity Flex display technology, the OLED panel and folding mechanism, and makes such a futuristic looking design possible. So it's 2002 era futuristic, but we still want to give it a try. You effectively get a phone shaped handset with a screen on the outside that can open up to reveal a tablet sized display. It's one way to let a phone take on the serious jobs. The next phone is the Honor 11. Honor has been on a roll with flagship phones such as Honor Magic 2 and the Honor View 20 already announced. These phones feature high-end specs and are on the higher side of pricing as well. But Honor is known to bring high-end features at competitive prices, and thus we are excited what comes to Honor 11 or Honor 20, whatever the company decides to call it. The next phone is the Huawei P30 Pro. If you are not impressed by Huawei's phones these days, you should be. After the amazing P20 Pro and Mate 20 Pro in 2018, the Huawei P30 Pro is right near the top of our most wanted of 2019 list. The big question is where Huawei can go next with its camera technology. Early reports suggest it will use a 38 megapixel main camera sensor, the Sony IMX607. However, it will be tough to improve the already great low light image quality of the P20 Pro. The next phone is the iPhone 11 and the 11 Max. As ever, it will be months before we see anything regularly reliable leaked about the next iPhone. Apple likes to keep its surprises fresh for the big day, and that big day isn't until most likely September. The roll call of current suggestions about what the iPhone 11 will be like include a pop-up camera module, a touch bar display on its side, and an iPad Pro-like stylus. We don't believe a word of it, but we are happy to be proved wrong. The release date of iPhone 11 or the 11 Max is in September 2019. The next phone is the Moto G7 and the G7 Plus. Motorola's G series phones may not be the flashiest around, but each year since 2013 they have offered some of the best value choices for those after a phone that works well and doesn't cost too much. The Moto G7 is expected to have a small teardrop notch to fit more display onto its front and have at least 2 cameras on its back. The next phone is the Nokia 9. HMD Global has released some great affordable phones, but we didn't really see a true flagship from the company this year, but that is expected to change next year with the Nokia 9. Nokia 9 expected to be the first phone with 5 cameras on the back. The Nokia 9 could push mobile photography to new levels. Nokia championed phone cameras with its Pureview technology back in the day, and we won't be surprised to see it come back with a bang. The Nokia 9 is also expected to feature an in-screen fingerprint sensor. The next phone is the OnePlus 7. OnePlus thrives on leaks and teasers rather than carefully keeping them to a tight pre-release schedule. And we already know the next OnePlus phone, which may be called the OnePlus 7, will have 5G mobile internet. It will make it one of the first to offer 5G mobile internet, and unless you live in a country with some of the best mobile network infrastructure in the world, it also likely means that extra speed won't be meaningful for a while. It's still shiny, new things still shine. OnePlus let this tease out at Qualcomm's Snapdragon conference in December 2018, suggesting the phone will use the Snapdragon 855 CPU. You can expect existing OnePlus goodies too, like an in-screen fingerprint scanner and probably largely glass build. The next phone is the Google Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL. It's too early for any major Pixel 4 leaks, but some references to 2019's upcoming first-party Android have already appeared. Product code names were spotted in the AR Core developed kit. This is what developers use to make Android AR apps. Bonito and Sergo may be behind-the-scenes names for the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. This also suggests they may have next-generation augmented reality abilities. Also, here is too hoping that Google finally officially releases the Pixel series in the Middle East. The last but not the least is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Huawei has had one hell of a year in 2019 with the P20 Pro and the Mate 20 Pro, which are easily the best phones of the year. The Mate 20 Pro really pushed the boundaries of what phones are capable of, and thus a lot will be riding on the Mate 30 Pro when it is released late next year. It's too soon to tell, and we will be honest, we really have no idea that Huawei will bring with the Mate 30 Pro, considering the current model already has all the bells and whistles that phones will be rocking in 2019, but it is Huawei's flagship product, so expect the unexpected. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.